j, and j equals L plus S. So it's the vector addition of the angular momentum. Now, j squared is equal to j dot j, remember vectors. Now, what does that equal in terms of L plus S?
L plus S squared.
So that's going to equal L plus S squared. And how do you square two vectors?
L squared plus S squared plus 2LS.
Okay, it's going to equal L plus S, but be careful. It's
L
going to be dot L plus S. Right? Taking the dot product when you square it together. And so j squared is going to equal to, it's going to be L squared plus S squared.
Plus 2LS.
Because this is going to be L dot L, and that equals L squared. And then you'll have an S dot S, which will equal S squared. So plus S squared plus 2 times
L dot S.
L dot S, which is going to equal L squared plus S squared plus 2 LS cosine theta, which doesn't look like it's helped you yet. It's set for, what you're looking for up here is this, or the LS cosine theta equals 1/2 j squared minus L squared minus S squared. Okay, now let's plug it in. Now I'll plug it in here. So this equals psi n, all right? And it's going to be we'll take out the constant c. And now it's going to be 1/2 j squared plus L squared plus S squared, minus L squared minus S squared, times psi n. Okay, now, keep in mind that the psi n's are full wave functions, so psi n is really equal psi n, L, and ml. But now, what do I also have to include? A spin. So it also has to be a spin and then ms. All right? But what this is now telling us, and then keep in mind something like L squared on psi n L m L equals h bar squared L times L plus 1 times psi n L m L. Right? So I know what that is, and I know S, but now what do I have to construct?
J.
I need to construct a J. All right? And so how do I construct J's? Well, I go over here. J comes over here, it's L plus S. So what possible value, if I have an L, J equals L plus S. So what possible values of L and S can I have? Well, what are my possible values of J? Well, J can be all the way from L plus S all the way down to L minus S. And so in other words, L plus S is greater than or equal to J, which is greater than or equal to L minus S. And so this is where we'll start off on next class, all right? We'll finish this.
So this is where you change to lowercase.
And so, yeah, these are lowercase. I'll keep it uppercase here.
Should the absolute value be on the other one?
What's that?
Should the absolute value be on L minus S, not the other?
Yes. Okay. Now, once we get done with this, the last two interactions are going to fly through. All right, the Zeeman and then the hyperfine splitting. And so we will finish this with no problem on Tuesday. We'll do the variational chapter on Tuesday. And so on Tuesday, we'll be done with this chapter, and then chapter 7. And then, we'll be close to finishing chapter 8 and 9. And that's probably when we'll jump to the other book, okay? So, if we throw in the other 2 days that we can make up, we'll be on track to do Townsend for the second part.
What are you going to try to make up the other?
So we should try to make up the other days. I can't do it this week or next week though, so it'll have to be after the break, okay? And we'll try to do it sooner rather than later so it doesn't end up, you know, going far into the semester.
That's a wrap.
Yep. Thanks, guys.